The extension spring is part of your recip saw's blade clamp assembly. It is attached between the barrel cam and the saw's frame. When the barrel cam is engaged to release the blade, the extension spring applies tension to return the cam back. Over time, the spring can fatigue and break. Replacing the extension spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Sawzall.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the recip saw. Next, I'll remove the rubber boot. I'll need to pry the rubber boot away from the lever on the barrel cam. I'll slide the boot away from the saw. Next, I'll remove the gear case cover. Next, I'll remove the bracket so I can slightly pull the shaft from the housing to remove the barrel cam. That'll give enough play to pull the shaft up so I can remove the barrel cam. I'll also need to remove the extension spring. Now I can install the new extension spring. I'll remove the old one from the barrel cam and install the new one. Now I can install the barrel cam and spring back onto the saw. I'll lift the shaft enough so I can slide the barrel cam between the shaft and housing. I'll bring the spring behind the barrel cam and secure it to the housing. The extension spring fits into a groove in the housing. Next, I'll resecure the bracket with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the gear housing cover. Now I'll reinstall the rubber boot and the shoe. Now you know how to install a new extension spring in your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.